Hello students, so today let us learn about the poem The Rebel. I am sure even you might be having many friends who generally does something opposite what everyone says to do. Here even the poet is going to say about the person who always rebels, who always does something opposite to what people tell him to do. Before going into the detail, I would like to brief you about this poem. The poem, The Rebel, describes the character of a rebel, a person who does not conform to the norms of the society. The rebel is described as a person who would contradict others in order to be different. The character of the rebel in the poem is not based on the political activist but seems to be character sketch of a young adolescent trying to be different. If a rebel sees a group of people with short hair, he would let his hair grow. On seeing others with long hair, the rebel would cut short his hair. Seeing everybody talk during the lesson, the rebel would become absolutely mute. On realizing that everybody is silent, the rebel would create a disturbance. Similarly, on various such issues, the rebel would be contradicting others and doing things that no one would be doing. He would refuse to wear the uniform when the others would be wearing it, praise the dogs when in the company of cat lovers, appreciate the sun on rainy days, and on rainy days he would appreciate the sunny days. He would do just anything but not what others are doing. So let's begin with poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody doesn't talk during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Here they are talking about a rebel, a person. जब सब बोलते कि they want to grow their short hair, तो वो अपने बालों को लंबा करता है, और जब सब बाल लंबे करते तो वो अपने बालों को छोटे रखता है. जब सब ड्यूरिंग द लेसन या ड्यूरिंग द क्लास जब सब बात करते हैं तब रिबेल एक भी वर्ड नहीं बोलेगा, बट जब लेसन के टाइम पे कोई कुछ बोलता नहीं है तब रिबेल डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करता है. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in the fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses the preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in good word for dogs. मतलब रिबेल जब सब यूनिफॉर्म पहन के आते हैं तो रिबेल एकदम अच्छे से फैंसी क्लोथ्स पहन के जाता है, बट जब रिबेल जब सब फैंसी क्लोथ्स पहन के आते हैं तब रिबेल एकदम सोबरली एकदम प्लेन ड्रेस होके जाता है. जब वो डॉग लवर्स की कंपनी में हो तब वो प्रेफर करता है कि ही प्रेजेस अबाउट कैट्स और ही एक्सप्रेसेस अ प्रेफरेंस फॉर कैट्स. बट whenever he is in the company of cat lovers, he always he expresses his preference towards dogs. He always says good words for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. जब सब सनी डेज एंजॉय करते हैं, सन को प्रेज करते हैं, तब रिबेल ये सोचता है कि काश बारिश हो रही होती, और जब सब बारिश में खुश हो रहे होते हैं व्हेन दे एंजॉय रेन, तो रिग्रेट करता है रिबेल कि काश सन होता. ही मिसेस सन एट दैट टाइम. जब सब मीटिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो रिबेल क्या सोचता है कि मैं आज घर पे ही बैठूंगा और मैं बुक रीड करूंगा, बट जब सब घर पे बैठ के बुक रीड करते हैं तब रिबेल मीटिंग में जाता है. When everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. When everybody says no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. जब सबको ऐसा चांस आता है कि कोई कुछ पूछता है और सब बोलता है कि yes please, तो rebel कहता है no, thank you. और जब सब मना करते हैं कि they don't need it, तो rebel कहता है yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. अच्छा होता है कि हमें रिबेल्स मिलते हैं, वी फाइंड रिबेल्स इन आवर सोसाइटी, पर इट इज़ नॉट गुड कि हम वो रिबेल बने. वी शुड अप्रिशिएट द पीपल अराउंड अस एंड जो वो जैसे रहते हैं हमें भी उनकी तरह रहने की ट्राई करनी चाहिए. दिस पोएम इज़ रिटन बाय DJ Enright. थैंक यू.